Jamrock home. Presents. My Ungrateful Grandpa. Jamaican Movie. Starring Sister Petra. Epic Boss.
Dad, hurry up. I'm not going to go any further with you, you know. Oh, it's up there, Chili. You hear me?
Up on that steep hill, my daughter?
Yes, it's up there. So, I can't go any further with you. You don't have to worry about anything, all right? And make sure send down some money through Western Union for her. You understand me?
That's so about the hill too steep.
The hill is steep, Daddy, but listen to me. I don't want to be late for the airport. You hear me? And listen to what I'm saying. I send down some money through Western Union for both of you, right? For your upcoming and all of that. Anything at all, she will take care of it because I send down the money to her already.
So,
all right?
My daughter, when you're gonna come back for me?
Don't worry about that. Daddy, I told you that I'm going on a business trip, so I don't know when. They said about 2 weeks. So as soon as they're finished over there, I'll come back. You don't have to worry about anything.
So you can't postpone the business trip, my daughter.
Dad, I have
you can't live at them place, yeah, man.
What you mean by you can't live? What is wrong with the ghetto?
Look up at the house, Shabby. Out there, say you really want me to go stay.
That is where you have to stay, Dad, because trust me, I can't postpone this any longer. When you are with me, I have to postpone 2 minutes business trip, Daddy, and I can't do that. I don't want to lose my work.
My daughter don't think that she going to take care of me like how you take care of me.
She will.
I like the rich life and you're sending me up there somewhere.
Dad, I understand, but you don't hear what I said to you. I said I send some money, I send 500,000 just for 2 weeks. For 2 weeks, I send 500,000, go and give her. Don't worry about it.
I don't care about any money.
Jesus Christ.
You
Daddy,
take care of me very well. I know
and
you.
I
don't even know her like that, you know.
Well,
remember that she's the reject daughter. So,
oh my God.
You don't expect that she's going to want to take out anger upon me.
She's not going to take out anger on you. She's going to glad to see you, you see. She's going to hug you and bang you up and take good care of you. Anything you want to eat, she will provide it because I send the money to her.
This feel like you're shipping me away.
I am not shipping you away, Daddy. Come on, man. Time is going. I don't have time. Oh, Lord. Don't worry yourself, man. I love you. You're here. You can manage your suitcase.
Yo, so why you don't follow me go up there?
I can't follow you go up there. Listen to me. I have to catch the bus to go to the airport, Daddy. You don't know that. Dad, come on, man. You're being spoiled. Hold it properly. All right. Go on. Take your time. You hear? I miss you as well, Daddy. Go on, man. Nothing is going to happen to you.
Dad, I don't feel safe.
You are safe, Daddy. It is. I never hear that nobody dead down there. It is safe, man. Don't worry yourself. Go on. Later, you hear?
All right, my child.
All right. Why? I get rid of you once and for all. You come talk about me to go up there with you. Me to go up there so with you. Me not go nowhere because if I go up there with you, maybe just like turn your back. And you don't have to come back with me. And me did want to get rid of you a long time. So me not see the reason why me shouldn't go up there with you. After me not stupid. Me know so she go turn your back because number one, you never give her not even an ice cream to taste on her mouth. You never give her that food when she grew up. Dog me and your supper now anyhow because listen to me. You're there in my house. And what you do with me in my house? Me not have no peace. Daddy, you know how me by my house? You know how me by my house? And that me want to know. You don't know. Me not say you not help me go to school. But when me go college, you did stop. I mean, have to work and send myself to college. Yeah, I know because I turn businesswoman, you want to come live for me and turn ticks in on my back. Well, I dig you out today. Me tired of you. Everything I do for you is a problem. Everything you want, you get everything to your comfort. You know how many people would want the opportunity that you have?
Good morning, young man.
Good morning, sir. How you doing?
You know Josiah?
Yes, I know her.
Where do she live?
She live up that way.
I'm tired of see, young man.
Okay, would you like me to help you?
No problem, no problem.
Yeah, man.
So how long you live in this village?
I live here over 14 years now.
So this village is a peaceful place?
It's very, very peaceful here.
Because I don't used to do Bugo Yaga place, you know, because I'm coming from a very peaceful place, you know.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, Josiah is my daughter, you know, and me had a daughter. She wicked, you see? She wicked, man.
Oh, God.
Look on the heavy suitcase where the little wicked girl have me a carry up on the, but look how the hill steep.
I wonder how you gonna carry a couple of through, you know.
I tell her to follow me go up there because me not even know the place. Suppose them rob me little underpants and me little something in the suitcase.
Oh, God.
Huh?
You not to do that to you. Oh, God. Yeah, very true. So would you like me to help you go up here?
No problem, young man. God bless you, man.
Yeah, man.
God
yeah,
bless
man.
you.
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. One second. Take your time.
Anytime I reach when me go in the town, I go and buy a new chip, and dash where this one here. Cause when you not call me for getting my phone, that's what uno now gets. Remember me telling you, me, after me not stupid, me plan this out from long time. Every minute me I try to get you there, I couldn't get you there. But now you're out of my house, daddy. Bye-bye. I ain't seeing you again. Me, I don't even want to hear if you're dead or you're alive. Me tired of you. Everything me do for you, you're not grateful. Eh? Oh God, all the Josiah she, me sorry for her with you. He's a wicked little old man.
So much more further, my son.
It's right here, so she living up. Right
Mighty God. I can't believe it's so much journey to cover. Oh God.
You know, I will for walking, but Josiah! Josiah!
Look for you too. Eh? Want come tell me how to run my life. You think me I go on no business trip? Me not going nowhere. It's trick yo. Yes man, you always are going like you're too wise. But tell me now if you're wise. You're over wise. But your daughter wiser than you. Look at you. I am one step ahead of your daddy. Bye bye. You're not seeing me anymore.
Josiah!
I want to call me sir.
All.
All?
Yeah.
I wonder what Holly come on me here so early for. I know normally come so early. All! Why you not do here so early and I know so me not even wake up good?
Daughter?
It's my daughter? Who is this man you carry come on me yard?
It's
your father?
Your father?
My father?
Yes, it's Jeremiah, my daughter.
Jeremiah! Lord have mercy. Al, where you find Jeremiah from?
So just some people follow him, want it's heavy, so just help him carry it up.
Kind of you, but can't go back down so. Daddy, why you come up here for? You never come on me yard before. What happened today?
Daughter, Petra going over foreign today, right?
Yes.
So she gone at the airport now. I tell her to follow me come up here, but she have to rush.
Follow you come up here where?
She say I should stay with you until she come back next
No,
week.
Daddy, no space no there. Daddy, me you really say you're content with? After so much years, you this they come on me about your daughter say you fit on ya. All. Me know heavy, but came back and see if you can go down at the airport go see his daughter in Queen and give him the suitcase at the wrong address.
Tell me daughter I never want to come at this yard.
Yes, me glad you tell him.
Tell her enough.
Al, you don't know this wicked man. This man have never done anything for me. Not even my sweetie. And you can't suitcase, but where you want on?
Your father.
I'm my father, so what that have to do with me?
She said 500,000 to Western Union for you.
500,000? Who sent 500,000?
Petra. She said
know
she sent 500,000 from here, so do you get the money now? You know, but that why me come in.
Jeremiah, that's a lie. Him know me last name.
Address me as Jeremiah. I am your father.
I am not going to say father because I don't want you. It's since when you is my papa. Listen to me. Turn back. Me can't even have the right word what me want to tell you. Me can't.
Hear what now? Give me the 500,000 and me we go rent somewhere till she come
Which
back.
500,000?
Well, you collect.
I don't get no money from her. I don't know your daughter name. Me no know what she name. Me never hear from her.
Her name is Petra.
She named Petra, but me don't know her last name and I've never collect any money from her.
I tell her
She never
I don't
talked to
want
me
to come
before.
here, you know, because I know say in this ghetto I be a bogo yaga people live here, you know. And I ask you before me come up here if it's a decent place. And you say yes. Here how she behaving for me child, eh? Is my daughter that you know? Here how she behaving?
No, for go fix him, you know.
We have to go fix what?
You want fix?
I have nothing to fix. Listen to me. You just have to take back your suitcase and go back where you're coming from. You have never done anything for me. And now you come accusing me that me have 500,000 for you.
Me.
Eh? Yes, I live in the ghetto. What you feeling for?
I don't have any change on me, right?
Change? Give him what you have. Give him.
I will see you later on.
Man.
You thank you for bringing me come up here, yeah?
So why you take the suitcase? Where are you going?
I am going inside.
Jesus
You think you're
Christ.
gonna take my
Al, where are you going?
You think you're gonna take me daughter 500,000?
What you mean?
And ship me back?
Take 500,000 and ship you back.
Take this from me.
Give it to me. Al, you carry destruction come to me house, but
Why
I
you
will.
call it destruction?
No, you, daddy. No, you.
call it destruction?
Alice, so you treat me.
Me get here, you know.
You get what? I don't know you. I
Well,
don't know.
You will see. 2 weeks I'm staying here whether you like it or not.
Jesus Christ is what is for me. Al, you see what you create for me? After me, I have good brethren.
Your friend, man, but that's how it go.
Come out of the bed. You cannot. Listen to me. Where are you going with the stick in the bed? Take it off.
Let go off me stick now, me child.
You cannot go in the bed with your stick.
I go in the bed when me there my yard with the stick. And it's not gonna be no difference here.
Oh, you mean it's not going to be no difference here? Listen to me. This is not your home. And moreover, this bedroom is not yours. It's down in the basement. Here I go and me pack up the stuff them.
You're joking.
Me joking?
You're joking.
I don't want you lay down on the pillows, you know.
Which basement you talking about?
Down when me pack up the stuff them. Me pack up the old fridge and stuff. That's where you're going. You cannot sleep in here with me. I didn't prepare any place for you.
You know that you no make a cuss word in here, you know.
Cuss word where?
No make a
You want
cuss
cuss
word in
it?
here.
Listen, you want cuss it at your favorite picnic yard. And that's how upper Petra yard. Not
When
here.
you there my yard, I have a big old queen size bed in my house.
Why you
Look
not?
on this even qualify for me sleep on, but I true me can't do better.
Because you can't do better. I don't invite you here. You need to go back where you come from. You hear what me say? You don't say you run where left you.
Listen,
I run your queen run where left you.
Listen
I
to
don't
me.
want to carry on a man.
hear what me have to say. The reason why me come in here, say, you know, is because my daughter give 500,000.
Jesus.
You understand? She said she sent it to Western Union.
Your daughter
You understand what I'm
know
saying?
my name? She know my name?
Yes, she know that your name Petra.
Me no name Petra, she name Petra, my name is Josiah. You see? You don't even know my name. My name Josiah.
If you're in my ears every minute, you must have confused me.
Me no, old man. You cannot stay here. Oh, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
No,
Are y'all a breed shot?
No, make I lift up me hand in the face
Jeremiah,
now.
lift up your hand in my you come
Josiah.
in the yard for the first time you're talking about
Listen
lift
to
up
me,
your hand.
Josiah.
Oh my God.
Listen me.
You gone
I
it.
never feel so much pain in my life. You make me even know if I can't even concentrate good.
Jesus.
Huh?
Look here.
When me there have me queen yard, you know.
My
You
God.
understand?
Yes.
When me there have me queen yard, she provide a maid for me.
She provide me. Well,
You understand?
Look here. Well,
In
this
this
is
roof, where you see me there, under this roof or whatsoever you call this place, because me don't even know what it is. You understand? You have to be my maid.
Who is going to be your maid?
You! For 2 weeks! What?
Old man.
What you doing?
Jeremiah, you mad? You
I said, don't
trouble.
call me Jeremiah. I'm your father. Just me as daddy.
Oh, what is all bad brain, destructive man come from? You jam me. Oh, you jam me, Jeremiah. I jam you really jam me in my one house. number? What is your daughter number?
Listen to me, woman. Because it seems like say
what is your daughter number?
Woman now where you can stand up and disgrace or insult your father.
When since you me papa?
It seems like your mother never brought you up because I wasn't there to brought you up because you would die in a rich life now.
Well,
you understand?
I don't have a problem being poor. I never know that it was a crime to be poor. You blow like you hug. You blow like you hug. I never know it was a problem being poor.
Boy, I know. Boy, I know.
Oh my God.
Before we step foot in this district, I see that good thief and you look at him, you know say him a thief the way him walk. You see what I mean? Full white.
Jeremiah!
When I don't want to check my suitcase and see if he take out anything out there.
My God!
I have some new stuff in there.
Who wants anything in your stupid?
You see him out there, all him a look. He not have nothing to say. Him a pre my suitcase.
Jesus!
Not more than he's slippy hand in there when me now look with me and talk to you, you know.
Look here, you can't stay here. You cannot stay here. You're here. Oh, you're the accused. You know that is a decent man in the village. How you mean say I is a thief?
The thief come from this village and Bugu Yaga. Nothing would not come from the village.
Okay, Danny. Alright. Enough is enough. Since that you know say to be a thief and Bugu Yaga, what you do down here? What you do here?
Me can't do better.
Where you come from?
Me can't do better.
Oh, you mean say you can't do better? You should have done good for them.
Every daughter go to the airport.
You must say your favorite daughter don't want you. You say she come pathway and send you up here.
Because she late for your flight.
You know late for your flight, but sure you say she don't like you. You're wicked. You know see as you come, you call the decent young man who carry your suitcase come over. Thief!
And because you want something in the suitcase making carry it. Me never asked him to carry it.
Come out of my bed and go down in the
Let me go.
Come out of the bed and go down.
Let me go.
Come on, you get too bad you know.
Because I want something out of the suitcase making carry it. You see when they're going in my pocket, you see I hide them from my pocket, that's why I'm not giving nothing. Because me know when they rob me.
Alright, him will rob you? You're afraid I get robbed. Well look here, you come to the right house. You're afraid of rob, and you're afraid of people take out your underpants and everything out of the suitcase. And now you will get robbed. So tell you what.
Listen to me.
Come out.
You see him walk with muscle?
So you never had
thief.
So you were admiring Al.
Al is an admirer.
So why you making take your suitcase, girl? You come here.
Listen me, if you notice, you know, I'm making walk in front. Because I not just if him come pick me.
My God.
Why you there discussing? And him stand up there like a statue all every minute. See me on the suitcase. See
you see my look for your suitcase.
I watch him.
When you dey cuss me, you did not tell me see him they look for your suitcase.
I watch every move he make.
You know say you're a disaster. You come here to wreck the house, but you're not Tanya. Old man, go.
Tell me where's the bathroom. Because I don't feel good.
You don't feel good.
I don't feel good.
Come off of the bed. Hurry up.
Don't drag me like that.
You know what me I go show you in the basement. Go down the song.
Show me where the bathroom is.
I say go down the song, go so.
It's right, you're not sleeping.
You're not sleeping here.
Out. This shall be my bed for 2 weeks until my daughter come. You're not gonna name me daughter 500,000 like that. You try to get a helper and every day is rice and peas me eat. So you better make sure say you go at the market today. You and her look like one thief. Where the bathroom there?
Go on anyway you want go sir. Go on anyway.
You are Alice one piece of thief.
And what kind of problem is that come now? Why?
Ethic alongside Sister Petra. up and Christ who them losing faith. Me stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights sweet home celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last straight in my vein.
Sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over. Hey, sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over. Yeah.
What is profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? No repentance in the river just run through your bone. Me a praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord,